Hey there, kindergartners. Miss Klein here with Sonday Lesson 151. Whew. We are going to start today by spelling words. So make sure that you have your piece of paper and your writing utensil, and we will go ahead and get started. I've got my piece of paper, and my writing utensil. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a word that has the short A sound. Remember, the short A sound says ah. And then I want you to spell this word for me, okay? Nag. N-A-G. Nag. Again, that sounds like Miss Klein is saying it wrong. Nag. Nag looks like that. I wrote it kind of small. I'll write the next one bigger. Okay, next, tap. T-A-P. Has three sounds. T-A-P. It really helps when I use my fingers to sound it out because I can hear each sound. T, well, then I write down the T. A, then I write down the A. P, write down the P. Really makes it easier. Okay, let's do fan. N. N. Fan. Can you see it? There it is. N. Good. And bad. B-A-D. B-A-D. Check your B's and your D's. Make sure they're going the right way. We should be fixing our mix-ups if we're doing that. Now it says we've got some other words to spell. And some of them are sight words and some of them are silly words. Are you ready? The. Easy peasy, that one. We can't really use our fingers for that one, but it's a sight word, and we should know how to spell it. T-H-E. Good. Now hat. At. We can do all three of those sounds. Hat. There we go. And the sight word Remember, it's the sight word not the sound the sight word like a car drove by. And this one's a silly word because I don't think it has a meaning. Nab. Oh, I guess it does. Nab. Like I was gonna nab something at the store, like grab it. Nab. Nab. There we go. Now I'm going to tell you a little phrase to write, okay? I want you to write the cat. The cat. Now, what I don't want you to forget is your finger spacers. Can you see my finger spacer in there? The cat. That's a little phrase. It's two words, but I used a finger spacer in between the words. Now I want you to write a bag. Don't forget your finger spacer. Can you see it? There we go. A bag. Good job, friends. Now we're going to move on to some new material. Are you ready? We are going to learn a new middle sound, or maybe we already did. I. The I says I, like any inchworm. I. Good. So when we put that in front of other letters, it. So now if I add a letter at the beginning, it says it, sit. It, lit. It, pit. It, bit. It, fit. It, hit. Now let's put it all together and just say the words. Sit, fit. Bit, pit. Hit, lit. Kit, wit. Okay, let's take a look at our Sonday worksheet for the day. Wow, that was super duper fast. We're getting good. It says choose a letter that makes a word and then write the word. You get to pick whatever letter you want to put here. If I put a B there, a B, it would say it. Down here, I would write the word bit. If I put an R here, it would say am. And down here, I would write the word ram. So this page is something that we've done before, so it should be easy for you guys. So I want you to have fun making your own words. Bye.